Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. I made these in my very first beginner blacksmith course. So I had two absolutely stunning chaps come down today to The Forge to come and do a beginner blacksmith course. So these guys had never picked up a hammer in their lives to forge with. To be honest, it was a bit of a learning curve for me. They did loads, they got loads done. We started at 9 and we finished at just after 4. We had about half an hour for lunch, and in that space of time, the first thing I got them to do was I got them to make a lovely poker. Just a really basic poker with a 4-sided taper on this end, a square taper on this end, and then quite a long round taper with a little scrolly bit. And they both did that really, really well. I haven't got any of that footage, but I do have footage of these guys making a little Saxon-esque style one-piece knife with a little handle, letter opener thing. They did that okay. I think it was probably a touch advanced, especially drawing this part out. It was quite a difficult task. They made the blades quite nicely and they did the forming up quite well. It was just the drawing out, I feel, could have gone better. I had to intervene quite a bit in order to get the process out that I needed, that I required. But overall, it's been a really good day today. We got absolutely tons done. They were both super happy. A bit of a test for me and a real test for them. I'll let you watch the video, and at the end I will have a little discussion about how you can get your hands on these items. For this, you want to flatten it to start with. Lovely. Keep that tip right over the middle. That's it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Go a bit more on the bick, and then I would swap to doing that other. Oh, that's it. Right over the top of it, which is really nice. Your height really does help. It does? Yeah, so much. Back in the fire? Didn't square it up in a minute. Back in the fire. Lovely, lovely. The camera loves you. Pop it with the back of the knife on the anvil. That's it, and then just bring that down a little bit. Whoa. Is that nice and flat? That looks better from here. But it could look rubbish from here, I wouldn't know, would I? The only reason I do that is so you can see it on the back side. Carl, you need to tell him when you want him to hit.
Yeah.
You're the boss in this situation. If you turn that over and mark the other side, the back side, yeah, flip it right over, that's it. Oh, first time we're using tongs as well, isn't it? Sorry guys.
Yeah.
Just mark it. Just mark it, that's it. Ooh, mark that today. That's it, lovely. Pop it back in the fire.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
One more. One more. Okay, now hold it on the edge, turn it over 180 and then just hold it on the edge of the anvil. So what you want to do is you want to put the edge of the cut line just there on the side of the anvil. Yeah, just there. That's it, just hold that. But now tilt it slightly that way. That's it. One more. One more. That's not cutting off too bad now, is it? Oh, yeah. Right, I wouldn't put your hand. So put this at 90, put this at 45 degrees on the anvil. There, that'll be fine. No, flatten these swell. Much better. And the other way, flatten it off. Still choking up on that quite a bit. That's better. Lovely. Right, stay where you are with your hand. Nice. Lovely. Good. Close. Don't worry about that line before you raise. Get that tip nice and lovely. You did a really nice job. Lovely. Right, choke up too much. Right, take those pockets off now. I've just dressed like a dress. Because I've pushed it up there and just dress that and try and work over the angle. Both sides. Flip her over. That's it, lovely. So, if you want to get your hands on these lovely little devils, the knife letter opener thing, just a little, little letter opener jobber, Saxon-esque style. I'm really proud of that. Would come out really lovely. And this little pokery-esque fire pokery thing. If you want to get your hands on both of those, what you need to do is get yourself over to my Instagram, drop a like on the picture of these two items. You should be able to find it. I'll also write Instagram giveaway on them. then you need to put a comment there as well, saying something like, Raw, really love these, or I don't know, hi Dan, or something nice at least anyway. Then on this video, what you need to do is you need to chuck a like up, you need to subscribe, and you need to put a comment, something along the lines of, doesn't time fly, or when you're having fun. So chuck all that up. If you do those 3 things, and I can find all those 3 things nice and easy, I will pick one of those people that managed to successfully do all those things at random from a hat. I'll put all your names in a hat and I'll pluck one out, and these will be the winner. So cool, you get those. We'll ship them anywhere. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it today.
Fantastic, wonderful work. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Lovely.
Learned lots. And end product. Result, baby.
Yeah, we got some stuff made, and I learned a lot as well. It's the first course we've done, like I said at the beginning. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Remember, subscribe. I make videos all the time, and go out and check out my channel for more content. There's how to make. I made a sledgehammer recently and an anchor. Where's the anchor?
Down there on the little box.
Oh, leave the anchor. I'll get them another time. Okay, you can chuck comments down there.
And the time has flown.
You can chuck comments down there. The time has flown.
The time has flown.
And what I'll do is I'll chuck a video up on Carl's. Oh, it's going to be on your face. You're going to have to duck down, Carl. I'm going to pop a video. You're going to have to duck down, Carl. I'm going to chuck a video up there.
Hello.
Of me making the anchor, and I'll chuck a video down there of my mate Tobias coming to do a course the other day. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Brilliant. Enjoy.
See you later.